guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing well, great, awesome. Today's video, we will be reacting to Watching the River Flow by Bob Dylan and the Grateful Dead. I think that's what it's at. But let's dive in. It's starting good. Ooh. I don't know why I was so close. He's talking about rivers. Oh. The instruments just sound. Oh, the song feels like hanging out with a friend. It's jamming, and his voice kind of loose and bouncy. I'm sorry. And his voice sounds. Why is it? Okay. It feels like a relaxing road trip song. The band sounds happy, like they're having fun on stage. Oh, they're putting little effects. The music is, I don't know if I said this already, but the music is loose and bouncy. It's like country music, and it makes me feel relaxed, woo! They're putting little effects. Their music, it had like a type of vibe, like a bouncy country vibe and stuff. It makes me want to dance and clap out loud, like woo! But this was a really great song, and comment down below if you heard or liked this song. Well, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe, share to friends and family, and save the video for more. Bye! Peace. Subscribe.